matra words. You cannot unmute. 1 minute. Mayas, unmute. Unmute. Textbook golo, page number 37. Textbook page number 37. All should open. We started sentence also, no?
Yes.
Class. Start.
Bhojan. Food. Koyal. Cuckoo. Dolak. Drum. Joker. Joker. Roti. Bread. Lomadi. Fox.
Yeah, very good. Now, Srinkavias, unmute and read that same words.
Okay, ma'am. Bhojan. Food. Dolak. Drum. Roti. Bread. Koyal. Cuckoo. Joker. Joker. Lomadi. Fox.
Yeah, very good. Adidev can read now. Adidev read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the words.
Bhojan. Cuckoo. Koyal.
Bhojan is cuckoo.
Bhojan. Food.
Ah,
Koyal. Cuckoo. Dolak. Drum. Joker. Joker. Roti. Bread. Lomadi. Fox.
fox. Very good.
ने पेट पर घोंसला बनाया उस पेड़ के नीचे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी एक दिन तोता के साथ कोयल आया लोमड़ी ने पूछा कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी
When you read the third sentence, listen. एक दिन तोते के साथ कोयल आया. It is written in the textbook.
no
आया और आई. I only, no?
yes
Yeah. Listen. When you are reading, you should listen the matra. Which matra is given there? You have to listen. So we learned that sentence also. So Arjun Vinayak, can you read Arjun? Sentence.
तोता ने पेड़ पर
तोता ने और तोते ने.
तोते ने पेड़ पर घोंसला बनाया उस पेड़ के नीचे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी एक दिन
तोते के
कोयल आई लोमड़ी ने पूछा कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी
Yeah, very good. Now, Vaishnav, unmute and read. Sentence.
तोते ने पेड़ पर घोंसला बनाया उस पेड़ के नीचे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी एक दिन तोते के साथ कोयल आई लोमड़ी ने पूछा कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी
Okay, very good. Now, आदित्य बताओ. घोंसला मीन्स क्या है? हमने कुछ वर्ड्स और भी लिखकर पढ़ा. Did you write this sentence new word? Yes. No. Yes. तो घोंसला मीन्स क्या है? Nest. Yeah, very good. तोते ने कहाँ घोंसला बनाया? आदित्य. पेड़ पर. पेड़ के ऊपर. पेड़ पर घोंसला बनाया. आंसर क्या है? तोते ने पेड़ पर
घोंसला बनाया
Parrots build the nest on the tree. पेड़ पर. We studied no par or main. Did you remember the grammar part?
Yes.
Sarvanam, Sankhya and all. I will.
Yes.
Revision time. I will make you to say that again. All have to read that. Then उस पेड़ के नीचे, what is the meaning? पेड़ के नीचे अदर्व, पेड़ के नीचे means क्या है? अदर्व अंडर द
ट्री।
वेरी गुड। पेड़ के नीचे कौन रहता था? अदर्व कौन रहता था पेड़ के नीचे? वी लर्न पेड़ के नीचे देयर lived a under that tree
लोमड़ी।
लोमड़ी। there lived a लोमड़ी। लोमड़ी means who?
फॉक्स।
Fox. Yeah. एक दिन, what is the meaning? श्री रुग्धा, एक दिन means क्या है? Those who give the answer can mute. एक दिन means क्या है श्री रुग्धा? One day. एक दिन तोते के साथ कौन आया? आई, कौन आई? Who came with the parrot?
कोयल।
कोयल। कोयल means who?
कुकू।
कुकू। वेरी गुड। तो कोयल से लोमड़ी ने कुछ पूछा। क्या पूछा जोयरिक? पूछना मीन्स क्या है? वी स्टडी पूछना। पूछना मीन्स टू आस्क। पूछना मीन्स टू आस्क। लोमड़ी ने पूछा। क्या पूछा कोयल से लोमड़ी ने? What did लोमड़ी ask to that कुक्कू? ओ आवाज नहीं है, साउंड नहीं आता। I can't hear you, Joyaric. Check your device. आरुष बताओ क्या पूछा लोमड़ी ने? Can you read that sentence?
लोमड़ी ने पूछा, कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी?
वेरी गुड। कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी। कोयल रानी मीन्स हू? रानी
क्वीन।
क्वीन। कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी। प्लीज सिंग ए सॉन्ग। सिंग ए सॉन्ग। कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी। आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी now to read the sentence. Very good children, you are doing your work properly. Yeah, Ameya, read that sentence once again. Read.
तोते ने पेड़ पर घोंसला बनाया। उस पेड़ के नीचे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी। एक दिन तोते के साथ कोयल आई। लोमड़ी ने पूछा, कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी?
Yeah, very good. Now next Vedika. Vedika, read. Vedika, जल्दी पढ़ो।
तोते ने पेड़ पर घोंसला बनाया। उस पेड़ के नीचे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी। एक दिन तोते के साथ कोयल आई। लोमड़ी ने पूछा, कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी?
Yes, very good. Now Adidev MJ, read. Adidev, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
तोते ने पेड़ पर
तोते ने पेड़ पर घोंसला, घोंसला, नेस्ट, घोंसला, घोंसला, louder, louder, I can't hear. बनाया, बनाया, उस other all please mute, then only नीचे नीचे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी। एक लोमड़ी रहती थी। एक दिन क्या है? एक दिन मीन्स वन डे.
One day.
एक दिन.
के
तोते के साथ. तोते के साथ. रीड तोते के साथ. तोते के साथ.
लॉन्डी में पूछा.
I did not hear. You did not read third sentence. Did you read third sentence, Adidev? एक दिन तोते के साथ कोयल आई. Read, repeat after me. एक
दिन
तोते के तोते के साथ
कोयल आई.
कोयल आई. नेक्स्ट लोमड़ी ने पूछा. कोयल एक गीत गाओगी. Read it five more time, Adidev. Next day also I will call you. You should prepare. Achyut, read. Achyut, read. Achyutan, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Ma'am, that sentence.
Yeah, sentence. Read.
Okay, ma'am. तोते ने पेड़ पर घोंसला बनाया. उस पेड़ के नीचे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी. एक दिन तोते के साथ कोयल आई. लोमड़ी ने पूछा, कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी.
Yeah, very good. Now all should take your rough book, children. First we can complete this chapter, some fill in the blanks. After we will discuss that जानवरों के नाम. Did all completed that जानवरों के नाम सबने ढूंढा? Did all find that animal's name I give last day one homework? Yeah. Now take your book. I will give some fill in the blanks question that you can copy it one time now and read it. Question number 1. पूरा करो. पूरा करो. Fill in the blanks. पूरा करो. पूरा करो. Take your rough book or notebook. You can copy, no problem. Anyway, I will send the notes. All muted.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
And I will ask only you can unmute and respond anyone. What is the first question?
Ma'am, can I write in the notebook?
Okay, you can write without mistakes. Spelling you listen and write when you are writing in the notebook. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
First question. तोते ने पेड़ पर डैश बनाया. क्या बनाया? पेड़ पर
घोंसला.
घोंसला.
कैसे लिखेंगे? घोंसला देखकर लिखो. घोंसला.
घोंसला बनाया.
तोते ने पेड़ पर घोंसला बनाया. तोते ने, read and write. Those who are writing, you should read. तोते ने पेड़ पर घोंसला बनाया. घोंसला means क्या है? Nest.
Yes.
Any word meaning if you don't know, you can ask.
Okay, ma'am.
Coming out. No idea. I adjusted, but it is coming the same. Next question. पेड़ के नीचे पेड़ के नीचे एक डैश रहती थी। कौन रहती थी?
Domadi.
E. Letty D.
रहती थी, रहती थी।
पेड़ के नीचे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी।
एक लोमड़ी, लोमड़ी, लोमड़ी रहती थी। राइट। पेड़ के नीचे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी। एक दिन तोते के साथ डैश आई। कौन आई?
Koyal.
कोयल
कोयल आई।
आई।
आप इधर कोयल लिख सकते हैं, कोयल, कोयल आई।
आई।
तोते ने पेड़ पर घोंसला बनाया। पेड़ के नीचे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी।
थी।
एक दिन तोते
नी-
के साथ कोयल आई।
आई।
Really enough.
यस मैम।
The another question, किसने पूछा? कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी, किसने पूछा वो क्वेश्चन? Who asked to whom? वो क्वेश्चन किसने पूछा? Who asked? कोयल रानी एक गीत गाओगी, ने किससे पूछा?
लोमड़ी
कोयल से पूछा।
कोयल से
Now
पूछा।
giving now. You write this till here. लोमड़ी
पेड़ के
ने एक दिन तोते के साथ कोयल आई। Full stop. Full stop. You have to write. Don't forget to put the full stop.
Am I write the full stop? Sorry.
विराम चिन्ह, ये full stop. एक सेंटेंस के बाद हम विराम चिन्ह लगाएंगे। These all are small sentence.
के नीचे
You have to read, you have to write and study these all sentence. The most of the words are given एक ही मात्रा and ओ की मात्रा. That you have to listen.
एक लोमड़ी दीदी।
Completed?
नो मैम।
एक दिन तोते के साथ कोयल आई।
एक दिन एक दिन तोते
Azad finish. Azad completed. Can you read Azad?
तोते की
Azad read this 3 sentence. जल्दी पढ़ो.
के साथ
I'm not finished. I finished, ma'am.
Azad read. Other all please mute.
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
Not finish Azad's. Yeah. Ayin Maria completed.
कोयल
Ayin completed. Unmute.
No, ma'am.
Do fast after you can read. After that, you can take page number 34. There I give a small activity. January ko doonde. That we can discuss after this.
It was finished.
Page number 34. After completing this, and children, the next week I'm going to conduct a class test. Now we completed Aiki Matra and Oki Matra. I hope you studied Aiki Matra also.
Yes.
So these 2 chapter, words and sentence, you have to study for class test.
Okay, ma'am.
I will send the message which day I will conduct.
Okay.
क्या है बताओ?
Can you say the date?
Can what? Sorry, I didn't.
Date
Today's
of the
date.
test.
Date. Wednesday you will do. Wednesday. Are you ready?
I'm not class test. Today's date because I write in notebook.
Today's Saturday, 16th January, Saturday.
Thank you, ma'am.
16th January. Yeah, I will write and give that. 16.
Ma'am, I finished writing. Ma'am, I finished writing.
Ayin finish. Read Ayin. Are you completed? Ayin muted. Yeah. Unmute. And read. What happened, Ayin? Yeah. Once again, try karo. Yeah. Read.
तोता ने पेड़ पर
What is the word? Ghosla. Ghosla means क्या है? Ghosla.
घोंसला वन
बनाया.
बनाया
बनाया.
उस पेड़ नीचे एक लोमड़ी
रहती थी. रहती थी.
तोता के साथ तोता के
साथ कोयल आई. कोयल आई. Once again read. एक दिन.
एक दिन
तोते के साथ.
कोयल आई.
कोयल आई. You listen the matra. You have doubt because of that you are making mistakes. Listen. This is एक की मात्रा. Which all matra you are look. पेड़. पेड़ is एक ही मात्रा. नीचे इसमें एक ही मात्रा है. पेड़ के एक ही मात्रा है. ये सब के साथ. ये भी एक ही मात्रा के साथ हम मिलाकर लिखेंगे. के साथ ये एक ही मात्रा वर्ड है. और नेक्स्ट अब ये देखो ए ग्रीन आई सर्कल्ड विथ ग्रीन इंक दैट इज एक ही मात्रा. और ये सब एक ही मात्रा भी है इसमें. देखो ये एक ही मात्रा है ना. तोते. You have to listen that. Ghosla, lomadi. This is O, koyal. You have to note it, that spellings when you are reading. And try to read 10 times. Understood, Ain?
Yes, ma'am.
You read it one time, you try again and again. When you will read, you will get that word. Understood? Yeah. Completed, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is fill in the blanks. And what I told, the next Wednesday, I will take a class test. You have to study which all matra, I ki matra and o ki matra.
Matra.
Completed. So
Words.
this today I will send these notes. I think some completed in the notebook itself. Can you
Ma'am?
open page number 33? Let me check. Anybody have any difficulty to read this page number 33? School ke I ki matra we learn now. Sribhadra Jinish, just read that I ki matra sentence. Let me check. I ki matra.
स्कूल के मैदान में एक
मेला में मेला.
Ma'am, can I read once more?
जल्दी जल्दी.
के मैदान में मेला चल रहा था. विशाली भैया के साथ मेला देखने गई. वैशाली ने एक दैला लेना चाहा, भैया ने दैला लेकर पैसा दिया.
Yeah, very good. Children, do you have any doubt in the chapter?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then you will study now.
Ma'am, class test only words.
Huh?
Class test only words.
Not only words, sentence also will be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you should take that page number 34. I told you now we can discuss.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Did you find the animal's name?
Ma'am,
Uh,
I find only one.
Yes,
hai?
me too.
Ma'am, I find only one.
Only one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Me too. I find 5.
You can see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Which page number?
Page number 34. 34. जानवरों को ढूंढे. कौन है जानवर? Means जानवर.
Animals.
And now I will call. They can read anyone animal's name. Everybody should mute. All should mute first. I will call only. They can give the answer. Advaita, say one animal's name which you find from this. Say. Advaita, did you get any animal's name? Advaita.
No.
No. Did not find from this. I told you no, find and come. Catherine, you can say anyone name. Jaldi jaldi batao.
Ma'am. Kutta.
Kutta. Yeah. First one is kutta. Kutta means who?
Dog.
Dog. Yes. Kutta. Next chance. Niran, can you say any other animal's name? Those who get the chance, please mute. Niran, did you find from that any animal? Kutta. Catherine told kutta. It is, who is kutta? Dog. The next. Arjun. Arjun, do you know? You studied many. Hail Teresa can say one. Hail Teresa. Many means Hathi. Very good. Hathi. Dekho, Hathi. Kaun hai Hathi? Second one, it is Hathi. Hathi. Who is Hathi? Elephant. Elephant. Next. Otherwise, our time will go. Those who find, they can say that I am allowed to you to speak. Next, who find?
Ma'am. Ma'am, Billy. Ma'am, Catherine find everything.
Ma'am, Billy.
Ma'am, Billy. Ma'am, Goda. Goda.
Oh,
Goda.
Billy, Goda. Yes, Billy. Everybody will start shouting. Billy. Then you find which one? Goda. Where is Goda? Who is Goda? Goda means horse. Who is Goda? Horse. Goda. Now Arush, any other name? If I give the chance to everyone, everybody will shout. Studied many names in second standard. Who? Raise your hand. I will. Ameya. Ameya unmute and say. Ameya batao. Next.
Bakari.
Bakari. Yeah. Bakari. Here one. Bakari. Who is Bakari?
Goat.
Goat. Very good. Bakari. Next. Raise your hand. I will give the chance. Otherwise, everybody will shout together. Raise your hand. I will give the chance. Next, any animal did you find? Yeah, Mayasa. Mayasa unmute. Batao.
Bile.
Bile. Who is bile?
Ox.
Ox. Bullock. Ox. Bile. Bile. Yeah. One more is there. Anybody can say? One more is there. Anybody can say? 1 minute. I will allow. Batao. Next.
Ma'am, guy.
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 Wala.
Guy.
Guy. Guy means who?
Cow.
Yeah.
Cow.
Finish.
Yes, ma'am, I got this much animals.
7. 6.
Six.
7. Those who get
7 animals I got.
1 minute.
7 animals I got.
Star, dog, hathi, elephant, billy, cat, goda,
Cat, goda, horse, bakari, goat, bile, ox, guy, cow.
cow. Yeah, very good. Excellent.
Kutta, billy, guy, bakari, hathi, goda, bile.
Now listen, children. Tell me who got the 7 animals name?
Ma'am, Chadri.
Yeah, Adira, Mayasa,
I'm Sri Dugda.
Sri Rugda,
Catherine.
Ain Maria, Catherine, Ameya, Aditya,
Mayasa.
now Sringa, Aditya. Yeah, there everybody, yeah, all. You and very good. Adar, Janvi, Catherine. Yeah, very good. And Maria, Pranav, Prarthana. Everybody's name I told, no? Yeah, very good. You can write and study these animals' names. Sri Bhadra, Sri Bhadra Jinish also. Yeah, very good. Sri Rugda. Okay. Then you can study these animals' names also. You got 7 animals. You studied that before 2nd standard. So, next class, what you have to study? Class test. Which all chapter? Aiki, Matra and Oki?
Okay, Matra.
Okay, Madra.
Bye. Dhanyavad. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.